In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice stay consistent in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started with voice consistency can seem tricky at first, but I promise it's simpler than you might think. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, you'll see the text-to-speech box. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and paste your script into that box. It should be the text you want to convert into speech. Now comes a crucial step, selecting your voice. In ElevenLabs, you have access to various voice models and accents, so take a moment to choose the one that suits your project best. Keep in mind that each accent comes with its own unique baseline configurations, so it might take a few tries to find the perfect match. Next, we are going to focus on the stability slider. This is a fantastic tool to ensure your voice remains consistent across multiple generations. You'll find the stability slider in the interface. Move it to the right, aiming for a value between 90% and 100%. What this does is essentially lock in the voice to make it much more stable and controlled. Higher settings lead to uniformity, while lower settings might introduce some random variations. And in a production setting, we want to avoid that. Once you've set the stability slider, it's time to think about clarity and similarity. For this, look for the clarity and similarity boost slider. You'll want to adjust this to the right, ideally up to 100%. By doing this, you're pushing the AI to adhere closely to the original voice profile, ensuring that it captures the exact vocal signature and crisp articulation you're aiming for. This is key for maintaining a professional sound. Now, let's adjust the style exaggeration next. Find the style exaggeration slider and aim for around 50%. This should help in locking down a balanced delivery tone. Not too exaggerated, but also not too flat. It adds a nice touch of personality without overwhelming the listener. After adjusting these sliders, it's finally time to generate the speech. Click on the Generate Speech button and listen closely to the track. This is where all your adjustments come together. If everything goes well, you should notice a consistent tone and performance across each sentence you generated. If you find any inconsistencies or feel that the tone isn't quite right, you can go back and tweak those sliders again. Don't hesitate to play around until it feels just right. Remember, consistency in voice helps maintain listener engagement and reinforces the quality of your content. And that's it. You're all set to create voice content that remains consistent and engaging. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.